back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a very interesting tip, which is very simple, and in a few seconds you can build up a very beautiful introduction slide for yourself. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I see many of you are watching the videos but are not subscribing. To subscribe so that you can get notifications of my videos very quickly and immediately. Coming down to our slide here on the screen, I'm going to put a very simple image. You can download it from anywhere. We have so many sources on internet. You downloaded it, pasted it. Now you simply have to go to insert on the top. In the insert menu you find table up there. So you can add a table. Don't add a very big table here. I would say let's make it like this. And then when you have this table across here, you just need to spread this table onto your screen. So I'm going to just drag it down here, and this table is already there. So all you need to do is you need to go to the table design itself and design in a way that it looks good on your side. So I'm going to give it a design shape like this, let's say. Now in this way, you can see the black lines over there. We need to change them, and we change them in white. As you can see, I just simply clicked on the empty borders, and now we have white sides here. Now you can even remove these borders from here, and you can simply go and select no borders. At this point of time we don't have any borders. You can simply then start selecting boxes here. So you select a box, for example this one, and you go into your layout and you fill whatever you want. So for example, if I want to fill it a color or shading here, I can put white one here, and then another white one in this one maybe. So simply go and select the shading, and you can see you can shape it up the way you like. You know, you have different boxes here. You can even use these boxes to put some text here. So for example, I want to put travel here, food here, you know, energy here. So this is one way of building a beautiful slide with some boxes in it, which you can put to set some context in the shape of text as well. And you can also showcase in a very professional way a slide, a simple picture into a very beautiful slide that looks very professional as well. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. It was quick. Don't forget to subscribe. I look forward to see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take good care of yourself. Ciao, ciao.